Hello, my loves. I don't know if it's too late to say welcome back to my channel, and welcome to all that are new to my channel. So at first I was like debating whether or not I should do a voiceover, but for some reason in my spirit I just felt like I have to talk a little bit, and of course let me know if you guys would like to see a full video with no talking and just really chill vibes. And I'm hoping that this can still be like chill vibes and stuff, like I'm talking very softly just to keep the chill aesthetic going on. But I've really been enjoying making these kind of videos. I really like just making chill videos like this because one of my favorite things to do is just draw, and I know that I can get like a lot of content and share a lot with you guys because that's something that I do my best to do every day, is just draw. One thing I wanted to mention as well, I noticed a lot of like my Patreons or just people who were like have questions for me. They would always like worry about like, I feel like I can't draw without a reference yet, and I'm trying to figure out how to get there. And one of the things that I want to tell you is never be ashamed of using reference. Reference is literally one of the most important tools that you can use as an artist because it helps you grow. It helps you to create a mental library of ideas and poses and just getting used to just drawing in general. So never be ashamed of using a reference. I feel like I think a lot of like topics have come up about like reference in the art community. In no way is it cheating or anything, because there's nothing new under the sun. Everything comes from something. And God is the only one who can create something new from nothing. So we're all, inspired by something that's already been created. So never be ashamed to use a reference and to learn from it and to just enjoy yourself as an artist and as a creator. God is the creator, and he, made us to create as well. So enjoy yourself and don't be ashamed to be inspired by things that were already created. And I think it's such a blessing that God has given us so much in this world, so many beautiful things to be inspired by and to use it to be uniquely ourselves and to create things out of these things that were already made for us to use. So praise God for all of the amazing inspirations that we have around us so that we can use them and create our own creations and share them with each other. So yeah, you guys, continue to enjoy yourself, draw, practice, and remember, I didn't get this overnight. It took lots of time and dedication to, get to a place where I was really enjoying my art and just feeling, better about it. And, don't get discouraged. Enjoy the process. You know what I mean? Have fun. Don't be discouraged just because you're not at a certain place in your art journey. Keep going, and remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. I believe in you, and I hope that you don't allow anything to discourage you and that you continue to keep pressing forward and don't give up, because you will get to where you want to be as long as you keep the faith, keep it going, and keep drawing, keep creating. So yeah, you guys, I hope that this inspired you. I hope that it uplifted you, encouraged you, and put a smile on your face. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and yeah, you guys, talk to you next time. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final sketch or drawing, and I hope you all enjoyed watching the process. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Rawsueshii to see more from me. And yeah, check out the links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you all so much, and I appreciate your support so much. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.